Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. We're a venture capital firm focused on pre-IPO companies with investment funds for individual investors, family offices, and their financial advisors. All right, I got a pre-IPO company update here for you for the week ending 18 August 2023. Today we're going to hit on big company news from ByteDance, Wiz, Parade, Yieldstreet, Epic Games, and SpaceX. We got large capital raises and individual pre-IPO company stock performance update. Okay, ByteDance, the owner of TikTok and Chinese counterpart Douyin, reported a net profit of $15 billion last year, indicating that the company is financially robust and does not need cash. ByteDance is facing a slowdown in China's business, with revenue growth decreasing from 68% to 25%. As a result, the company is seeking new growth engine, and TikTok's access to the U.S. ad and commerce market is becoming increasingly important. ByteDance CEO Xiaoxi Chu is heavily invested in building an e-commerce business for TikTok, emphasizing the significant stakes ByteDance and its shareholders have in the political debate surrounding TikTok's future in the United States. Wiz, a cloud security company founded by veterans of Microsoft's cloud security group, raised $300 million in Series D round, co-led by Lightspeed Venture Partners and Green Oaks Capital Partners at a post-money valuation around $10 billion. The company, which claims to be the world's largest cybersecurity unicorn, plans to use the new funding for product development and hiring. Wiz's platform analyzes infrastructure and public cloud services for risk factors and maintains a security graph that correlates information across different areas a company aims to protect. The company has scaled rapidly, claiming to be the fastest to reach 100 million in annual recurring revenue and counts 35% of the Fortune 100 among its customer base. Intimates manufacturer Ariela Associates International has acquired size and gender inclusive underwear brand Parade amidst the trend of startup sales as venture funding becomes scarcer. Parade, which had built a strong fan base on Instagram and was valued at nearly $200 million last year, is now part of a wave of direct-to-consumer startups that have found it challenging to convert devoted online followings into profitable growth. This trend has led to several brands, including lingerie startup Coop and software cookware maker Great Jones, selling themselves in recent months. The terms of the Ariel and Parade deal were not disclosed. Asset manager Yieldstreet is reportedly close to finalizing a deal to acquire Cadre, a real estate investment firm whose value has significantly declined in recent years. If the agreement is completed, it would be indicative of a growth trend of M&A activity among struggling startups, as founders have to come to terms with the reality of their company's valuation are unlikely to rebound. In the potential deal, Cadre shareholders are expected to receive stock in Yieldstreet. The estimated valuation of Cadre in this deal could be around 100 million, a stark contrast to the peak valuation of 800 million set 6 years ago. Happy Money, online lending startup previously known as Payoff, is reportedly in talks to sell itself. The Torrance, California-based company, which is valued at 1.1 billion in private financing round announced in February of 22, has held sale discussions with at least one financial institution. Related, Sable, a Y Combinator-funded credit card startup, recently sold itself to specialty lender Snap Finance as part of a second source with direct knowledge. These moves come as lending startups, including 14-year-old Happy Money and 4-year-old Sable, seek acquirers following a spike in interest rates that has reversed favorable conditions for fintech startups. The higher rates have increased the cost of funding loans and strained borrowers' ability to maintain payments, while venture capital interest in the sector has declined. Epic Games and Lego are reportedly collaborating to create a shared online space within Fortnite where children can play, build, and communicate with each other. It sounds like Minecraft to me. Also, Epic Games and Lego I should say, made a big investment in Epic Games last year. The collaboration is expected to be part of Fortnite's Creative 2.0 project, as anticipated to be extensive, potentially being significant enough to be considered a new season of the game. The leak suggests that the collaboration will include a Creative 2.0 map, NPCs and bosses, custom UI, Lego models and world, and a feature called Adventures. While specific details on the design of this virtual world are not yet known, Both companies are committed to creating a child and family-friendly, immersive and creatively inspiring and engaging digital experience that people of all ages can enjoy as per a joint statement. The release date and further details of this collaboration are still pending, but it is expected to launch within the year. In Q1 2023, SpaceX generated a profit of $55 million on revenue of $1.5 billion, marking a positive turn after 2 years of significant but narrowing losses. This comes as SpaceX continues to invest heavily in its ambitious projects, including the Starship rocket and Starlink satellite internet service. SpaceX has grown rapidly and is valued at approximately $150 billion during a recent employee stock sale. The company reported $2 billion in proceeds from issuing stock last year. Okay, big capital raises for the week. One new unicorn this week. Capital RX is an enterprise pharmacy platform. Raised $72 million Series D at $1 billion valuation. It's a 25% increase from its $556 million valuation Series C in May of 2022, 16 months ago. B Capital Group led, Edison Partners, Transformation Capital, Alumni Ventures, General Catalyst, and F Prime Capital participated. Two other notables. Resilience, a cybersecurity risk management platform, raised a $100 million Series D at a $950 million valuation. Its last round was in November of 2021. Founders Fund, Lightspeed Ventures, and General Catalyst invested. Good list of investors there. And Tomi, a AI-powered presentation solution. This is a really cool company. You got to check these guys out. Tomi, T-O-M-E, raised a $60 million Series C at a $600 million valuation. It's a 100% increase from its $300 million valuations just 7 months ago. Lightspeed was in on this deal. They led. Kochu, Greylock, 8VC participated with others. Last up, we got pre-IPO stock performance. Okay, big winners this week. Discord was up 22.3%. Airtable was up 5.3%. Reddit's up 4.9%. Ramp's up 4.5%. Big losers this week. Sync was down 3%. Revolut was down 1.6%. Databricks was down 1.6%. Top 5 companies by valuation as of this week. ByteDance, $209 billion, still up there big. SpaceX is at $147 billion. We reset those guys this week based on that tender offer at $150 billion. So they're down just a little bit in the secondary from that point. And Stripe's at $49 billion. Databricks at 33. OpenAI is at 32. You can see more prices, current valuation, and performance at agdillon.com. It's right there in the header. You can't miss it. Okay, that's it for me this week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Thanks, and I'll talk to you guys next week.